Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. So in case if your device is laggy, you're trying to do something about it, but it doesn't react to your actions, like you press buttons and they just don't react. So what you can do about it in this kind of situation? You can restart your device, but if your buttons doesn't respond, what you have to do? You can hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down for about 5 or 10 seconds, like this. And after that your device will be restarted, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.